How to schedule WhatsApp messages on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply go to Play Store and download this app, Sked IT. After you've downloaded, open the app, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Create Account and then add your name, email, add your password, then confirm your password, and then click on Create Account at the bottom. After you have clicked on Create Account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply go to your Gmail and add the code in here. After you've verified mail, simply click on plus button at the bottom and then press on WhatsApp. In here, simply scroll down and then in recipients, select the contact you want to schedule message. Scroll down, add title, add message what you want to schedule. You can also add attachment, then schedule date, and then schedule time. After you've done that, click on tick mark on top and you're good to go. This is how to schedule WhatsApp messages on your Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.